Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
But we're going to be going down Mercadores, which also goes down to another kind of interesting area as well. So we're gonna It's funny because sometimes people will see the camera, then they'll look up, but they might have went right underneath it without seeing where they're at. And right here we have some, I think it's kind of medicinal. Lights are coming on, so you got kind of that neon lit up alley now. Okay, there's a sign right here. It says Rua dos Mercadores, Street of the Merchants. And I filmed this street a number of times, but it wasn't until just recently that I found out that this street goes a little bit further than I originally thought. So what I'm going to do in this one is I'm going to go from end to end, and this end starts right here, and we're going to go all the way down, and we're basically going to go all the way down this street and then across this main street and just continue up until another space altogether. Oh, somebody just threw that plastic bottle. So we're going to do this whole space right here, and before we do, we're gonna just capture this little space, this little trek thing coming through right now. So there we go. So that's gonna be our target down that way. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So they're actually leading them to come up here. So if you go up here, this is a really busy area, and so we'll just kind of highlight it. That spot right there is a big pedestrian street that's very, very popular. But there's a lot of stuff in this area that's popular. So we're going to go down to Mercadores. A couple other areas that are popular too is this one here, Invernadores. Invernadores is Herbalist Street. I think it's the oldest street in Macau that went to the border. So, and then this one is kind of parallel with this. So this is the one where the traffic goes on, and this is the pedestrian one. This is the Stelligence that goes almost all the way down to the port. But we're going to be going down Mercadores, which also goes down to another kind of interesting area as well. So we're gonna so we're going to go all the way down Mercadores Street. So Mercadores Street has black and white tiles. And I'm just going to kind of navigate the people a little bit, and then we're going to get to things I can stop at. So one of the things we're going to see is the Central Hotel. My room. Okay, this is a parking garage. This used to have all this kind of cool artwork everywhere in here. It used to be a park, a public park, but there's a lack of parking, so they made it into a parking space. Okay, oops, sorry. So let's walk. He's upset about something. So let me just kind of highlight this space a little bit. So that space goes up to the Sapala ruin space. That's where we're starting at, down that way. And then you also have all these little alleys like this one. Afiache. Okay, let's keep on moving down. Some cool fashion. And this is a really nice building right here. We're gonna walk a little bit further and then we can get a better grasp of it. So it's Soriano, and that goes up, you can see Grand Lisboa, then you can also see this kind of cool looking building. So yeah, that's all part of Mercadores. Okay, let's go up a little bit more. Here's our street sign right there. Here are those Mercadores. And then you have these little kind of cool little spaces like this pink building right here. And this yellow one as well. They're kind of hard to see because we're underneath them, but actually there's some really nice architecture in this space. Especially that one right there. Okay. You just go across to here. And from this angle you can see this other architecture too. Okay, and then that green one straight ahead is the Central Hotel. So we're gonna capture that. Got some food here. And then today on the Mercadores, I'm gonna cross the street and keep going. I always thought that this street ended at a certain spot, but it continues further. I'll explain it all when we get up there, it'll make more sense. The other things about this street is that's at Sao Paulo Senado Square, which is a really nice pedestrian street. And then down this way, there's all these alleys everywhere. So there's like a number of alleys that just go straight through, and they're kind of cool little spaces. Okay. Got some what do you call that? Okay. So we're still going to keep on going down, but this is all part of this Mercadores as well. Then this one has all the neon light as well. Then we have all our alleys as well. Look at that nice neon light. Okay. So next is going to be the Central Hotel, which is this nice green hotel right here. It's funny because sometimes people will see the camera, then they'll look up, but they might have went right underneath it without seeing where they're at. This was recently restored, so. Okay, so let's keep on going along our Central Hotel. I do kind of wonder, like there's all these gates right here. I wonder if they opened them up in the past. We'll try to walk beyond this a little bit so you can get some context of what it looks like from a distance. So we are going to be going that way, and that Mercadores continues that direction. And I never knew that these two streets were the same street, because this street is kind of a main street. So we're going to come over here. And this will all make sense in a moment. So this is also called Mercadores Street as well. Let me give you some context. So yeah, there's a little sign up there that says Mercadores. So we're gonna be walking directly down that way in a moment. That's the street that we started at. It was down that way. Got too many buses and people. But let me give you a little context. Let's see. Too many buses, but this is kind of a main street. You can see Grand Lisboa. There's casinos all the way down that way, and the buses are going to block that view. So instead, we'll just highlight this space. Okay. So yeah, this is all part of Mercadores as well. Let me give you some context here in a moment. So this street historically would have went straight through, but then it's kind of confusing now because this cross street is such a busy street and it's hard to get across. And then you can see the type of, this is Central Hotel, that nice pastel green one right there. And the guy under the sign eating noodles, he's always here. I think he's kind of a homeless guy, so you should see him just kind of hanging out. So we'll capture him real quick as well. So yeah, there he is. And right here we have some, I think it's kind of medicinal. If you know what that is, maybe let me know. But I think it's and that's a pedestrian street down that way. But I believe the Mercadores continues this way, so we're gonna go this direction. And that one changes names to something different. And Mercadores goes up this way. So we're gonna go up that way as well, and you can see the sign right here. Dos Mercadores, which is the same name as the one that goes up there. And then this pedestrian street called Teresa de Otero Novo goes up to that space. Okay. So let's go up to Mercadores, to the end of it. Lights are coming on, so you got kind of that neon lit up alley now. And then Mercadores just comes up to the end here. So we started way over there by the Street of the Herbalist, or Inverness Street. And now we're all the way up to the end of Mercadores Street. Mercadores. Give you the context of the other streets. So awesome. And that is Mercadores. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.